Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Behind me is the Sea Ray 19 SPX, a gorgeous boat in the Sea Ray's lineup. You'll see we'll start off in the exterior here, then we'll head into the interior. The exterior of this 19 SPX is in Sea Ray blue with a nice white hull bottom. It looks really good. The boat comes with this dual axle painted trailer, so you have a great trailer to pull this boat. You'll see when we move around to the back of the boat here, you have a nice big swim platform. You have a manual swim step. You have a nice swim ladder to board the boat. And you have a great walk-through into the cockpit. That's unique on a 19-foot boat because you don't see that very often. And that's nice because you won't be stepping on upholstery as you enter the cockpit area. In the back also, you're going to have a nice tow point here to tow tubers and skiers and wakeboarders if you so choose to. You have a grab handle and also a 12-volt plug in right here to blow up your tubes or to charge your phone if you want to. Now let's take a peek in the interior. Welcome to the interior of the 19 SPX. We're starting off in the bow. Lots of space you're going to notice right off the bat. You have grab handles on each side that are stainless steel. You have speaker covers for the speakers up here as well, so you get that extra sound up in the bow. You do have a dedicated anchor locker up here too. You have anchor storage there. You'll see the interior is stone gray. The carpet is infinity woven carpet. Easy to keep clean, easy to clean. That's the benefit of infinity woven carpet. Moving over to the helm. You have a nice captain's chair with a bolster so you can see. You have a throttle here. You have your traditional gauges, your RPM, your miles per hour, and a few other clusters here. You have your depth gauge. Over down here, you're gonna have your Fusion audio system with some physical switches. I always like physical switches because it's just that touch thing. It's a good feeling to have some physical switches in a boat. Your nice steering wheel here. Moving over to the port side, you have a nice bench seat here. Able to fit 2-3 people here or just some of your beach supplies if you wanna. You have a recessed glove box here for your phones, your wallets, your keys. More storage underneath here as well. Sea Ray has done a great job with just maximizing the amount of storage that you get in this 19-foot SPX. Even though it's a 19-foot boat, inside this cockpit it feels so much bigger. You have a ski locker in the floor here so you can store skis, life jackets, fenders if you want to. As I flip this seat up here, you could use this as a cooler because it does self-drain down into the bilge area. As I open up the engine compartment here, you'll see it's opted out with the 4.5 liter, 200 horsepower Mercruiser engine. On the left here, you're gonna have more storage. So again, for life jackets, plenty of room for a tube if you deflated it. So again, lots of room here. As we walk into the aft of the boat, so back towards the platform here, you'll see it's super easy. You have a nice amount of space here to hang out if you want to and you're anchored out. If you want to put on your wakeboard bindings, if you want to put on your skis, you can do that right here too and then hop right in the water. So it makes it really easy. Guys, this is the 19-foot SPX here at MarineMax Rogers. If you have any questions, please call in or come stop by. Thank you again and have a nice day.